Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Are you all fine?
Yes, sir. And you?
Yes, I am also fine.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So let's move to some questions of this quadratic equations. We were here in quadratic equations and we completed questions from question number 1, 2, 3 as well as 4. And some of you are asking questions to me in Messenger. So I'm going to solve few more questions for you. 54 joined and 50 did attendance. Okay, all of you look at question number 3V. Question is solved by completing square. We have to solve this equation, quadratic equation, by completing the square. And equation is minus x square plus 4x plus 77 is equal to 0. This is given to us. So its simple process is directly you can try to make square of these terms, or negative number is not square of anyone. Your negative number कसैको square हुँदैन. So at first take negative value common from these all. यो सबैबाट minus common ल्याऊ. If minus is taken as common, it becomes x square minus 4x minus 77 is equal to 0. Minus common means minus 1 you can say. minus 1 common लिए जस्तै हो. अनि माइनस कमन लिने बित्तिकै यो सबै साइनहरू चेन्ज हुन्छ. Both plus becomes minus here. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now take this minus to right side. That means divide this minus 1, sorry, 0 by minus 1. 0 लाई minus 1 ले divide गर्यो, यसलाई right side तिर लगिदियो भने remaining value will be x square minus 4x minus 77 is equal to 0 only. If 0 is divided by something, it will be 0 only. Now try to make square. First one, x square, we may leave it as it is. In second one, try to make formula of 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square. For that, we can write 4x as x square minus 2 into x into 2. And in place of b, there is 2. b को ठाउँमा 2 छ, त्यसैले 2 स्क्वायर राख्यौँ. अब 2 स्क्वायर एड गरेपछि 2 स्क्वायर सबट्र्याक्ट पनि गर्नुपर्छ, या यो 2 स्क्वायर हामीले अर्को साइडतिर एड गरिदिए पनि हुन्छ. ओके, द्याट्स योर चोइस. के गर्ने? प्लस 2 स्क्वायर you may add to right side, or you can subtract here only. 2 square add गरेको हुनाले यहाँनिर subtract गरिदियौँ हामीले. And after this it becomes 4 and it remains same. And this one is the formula of x minus 2 whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is formula of a minus b whole square. Now add these two values. X minus 2 whole square minus 81 is equal to 0. Now take 81 to another side, that means to right side, and find out its square root also. यसको पनि square root find out गर. 9. Yes. And it is the square root of plus square. This one is the square of plus 9 as well as minus 9 also. So it is x minus 2 whole square is equal to plus or minus 9 whole square. I think there is no confusion in it. Then we may remove the squares from both sides. After removing squares, remaining value is x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 9. Then once we have to take positive sign and then we have to take negative sign. If we will take positive sign लियो भने x minus 2 is equal to 9 हुन्छ. And now take 2 to right side. 2 लाई right side तिर लगेर plus 2 हुने भयो. And it is x is equal to 9 plus 2. That means x is equal to 11. Similarly, if we will take negative sign, then it will be x minus 2 is equal to minus 9. अब यो minus 2 लाई right side तिर लैजाऊ, plus 2 हुन्छ. X is equal to minus 9 plus 2. Then it will give us x is equal to minus 7, because minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. So in this way, we get two values of x, that is 11 or minus 7. These are our required answer. Is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So if there is no confusion, let's move to next one. Question number 4, 7. Okay, look at this one carefully and try to understand it completely. Question is x times x plus 2 by 7 is equal to 3 by 49. बाहिर bracket भन्दा बाहिर x छ, bracket भित्र x plus 2 by 7 छ, is equal to 3 by 49 छ. So now multiply this x inside. X into x, it is x square. X into 2 by 7, it is 2x by 7 is equal to 3 by 49. Then take 7 as LCM to right, left side ma 7 लाई LCM लियो. 7 LCM लियो भने के हुन्छ त यहाँ? It will be 7x square plus 2x divided by 7. 7 into x square, it is 7x square plus 2x remains as it is. In denominator there is 7 is equal to 3 by 49. You may cancel out this 49 from here. यो denominator मा दुईटै भएको भ्यालु एउटा लेफ्ट साइड तिर छ एउटा राइट साइड तिर छ भने यहाँबाट क्यान्सल गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. But it is better to do cross multiplication or taking this 7 to right hand side. Right side तिर लग्यो भने यो हुन्छ 7x square plus 2x is equal to 3 by 49 into 7. Now cancel out this 49 by 7. 7 7 is 49. So remaining value is 7x square plus 2x is equal to 3 by 7. Is this clear? कहीं के confusion छ?
No, sir.
Now again, as like we have taken this 7 to right side, जस्तो right side मा 7 लाग्यो त्यसरी नै यो 7 लाई अब left side मा ल्याऊ. That means multiply these both values by this 7. यो 7 ले 7 लाई multiply गर्दा 49 हुने भयो. 7 ले 2 लाई multiply गर्दा 14 हुने भयो. We have to multiply these both values by 7 while taking 7 to left side. It is 49x square plus 14x is equal to 3. Now take 3 also to left side. Because in question number 4, we have to use formula. This is the question related to formula method. Previously, we did the question related to completing square. त्यो भन्दा पहिला factorization method थियो. And this is related to formula method. And it must be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. यस्तो फर्ममा हुनुपर्छ. So 49x square plus 14x minus 3 is equal to 0. It is in perfect form of ax square plus bx plus 3 c is equal to 0. Now compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will get a is equal to 49. A को value यहाँबाट आउने भयो 49 from this equation. Similarly, value of b is 14 and value of c is minus 3. If we know these three values, next thing we must remember is the formula. एउटा यो थाहा हुनु पर्यो यहाँनिर भएको value. Okay. So next thing we have to know is the formula. First one, remember this one. यो थाहा हुनु पर्यो. Okay. Secondly, the formula. Okay, this is visible to you. Screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. And in this formula, we have to put values of a, b as well as c. Value of a is value of b is 14. Again, in place of b square, we have to write 14 square. Similarly, 4ac, 4 into value of a is 49, value of c is minus 3. If there is negative sign, don't forget to use the bracket. For this one, it is not necessary. If 14 को लागि bracket use नगरे पनि हुन्छ. Directly you may write 14 square. But for this minus 3, it is necessary to write bracket because there is negative sign with it. Now simplify it. Minus 14 plus or minus root over 196 plus 588. 588 means this is 4 into 49 into 3. 588 भयो minus into minus it is plus Value of 49 square is 196 and value of 2 into 49 is 98, and this minus 14 remains as it is. And after that, add these two
No,
values,
sir.
196 plus 588, it is 784, and other terms remain same, minus 14 यस्तै लेख्यौं, 98 पनि यत्तिकै लेख्यौं. These two are added here. So two things we have to remember here. One is we have to compare given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Second thing, we have to use this formula. Again, let me note it for you. यो formula यहाँनिर जुन red rectangle भित्र छ यो याद हुनु पर्यो. These two things you have to remember. Okay, now let's move to next step of this solution. After this only we have to simplify it. That means try to take square root of 784. Check it. What is the square root of 784?
28.
28. And minus 14 plus or minus 28 divided by 98. This is the square root of 784, which was inside the square root. अघिल्लो जुन पेजमा square root थियो, this one 784, its square root is 28, and other two terms we have written as it is. Minus 14 पनि त्यत्तिकै लेख्यौं, 98 पनि त्यत्तिकै लेख्यौं. Okay. So now at first you can take common from both values because 14 is common from both, or directly you can take positive or negative sign to solve it. यसको negative sign र positive sign अलग अलग लिँदा पनि हुन्छ. Minus 14 is common and remaining value here is 1, and from 28 14 to the 28 हुन्छ, त्यसैले 2 बाँकी रह्यो यसमा, अनि denominator मा 98. Now divide this 98 by 14. 14 7 just
7.
98. So 7 is remaining in denominator. After this, there is plus or minus. Two signs are here. So once take positive sign, एकचोटि positive sign लियो, अर्कोचोटि negative sign लिएर अर्को value निकालौँला. If we take positive sign, it becomes minus 1 plus 2 by 7. बीचमा plus sign आयो. Minus 1 plus 2, it means 1 only divided by 7. This is the one value of x. Similarly, if we will take negative sign, x is equal to minus 1 minus 2. अब यहाँ बीचमा पनि minus sign आयो. Minus 2 divided by 7, and it becomes minus 3 by 7. So x is equal to minus 3 by 7. This is the another answer. So we get two answers. X is equal to 1 by 7 or minus 3 by 7. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. If you have any problem in any other questions, please tell it to me now.
3, 7.
Question number 3, 7.
7. Yes, sir.
Okay, I will solve it for you. Or who is asking this one?
Bimochan, sir.
Bimochan. Okay, I will send the solution to you. Just look at this question. Question is here only 3, 7. Okay, use same process as like this one, 10th number. यो 10th number त हामीले solve गरे हो नि. We solve
Yes,
this 10th
sir.
number
Yes,
in
sir.
class. यो पनि त्यस्तै हो. फर्स्ट मा यहाँ 12 LCM लिनु पर्यो. Okay. 12 LCM लिएपछि 12x square plus x divided by 12 हुन्छ, is equal to 1 by 2. त्यसपछि 12 लाई राइट साइड तिर ल्याइदेऊ, एउटा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेसन बनिहाल्छ. Okay, I will send its solution to you in your messenger group afterward. सबैको लागि solve गरेर send गरिदिन्छु है. Any other problem?
No, sir.
Any other persons, please? If you have problem, you may tell it to me. I will solve and I will send the solution to you. Okay, if there is no problem. So next chapter that we have to discuss is the triangle. Triangle, and we'll move to geometry continuously. Okay. यो geometry मै अगाडि जाँदै गरौँला. यसमा दुई तीन कुराहरू, यो isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, acute triangle, and some of the angles of triangle triangle. Similarly, about parallel lines and geometrical verification and their properties. About these things we have to discuss here. So for this, Let me share another window to you. Are you observing another window?
Yes, sir.
Just whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in chapter of triangle, at first we are revising the things. Simple things we are revising here. These triangles, triangle with all sides equal to each other. That means all sides. This one is equal to this one is equal to this one. यो तीनटै साइड्सहरु इक्वल भएको triangle. This triangle is called, what is this?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle. This one is
Triangle.
equilateral triangle. That means if one is 5 centimeter, another will be also 5, third will be
Another-
also 5 centimeter. All sides of the triangles are equal. If all sides are equal, then it is equilateral triangle. Similarly, next one, if only two sides are equal to each other, एक अर्कासँग दुईटा साइडहरु मात्रै इक्वल छन्, then it is isosceles
Isosceles
triangle.
triangle.
Just for example, this one. यसमा दुईटा साइडहरु मात्रै कुनै इक्वल छन्. These two are equal. If it is 6 centimeter, this is also 6, and third one is different. For example, 4 centimeter. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 4 centimeter. This is the triangle with name isosceles triangle. यसलाई के भन्नु पर्यो त हामीले? Isosceles triangle. And next one is the scalene triangle. That means no sides are equal, all are different. सबैको मेजर फरक फरक हुने भयो. Measure of all sides are different here. That means, for example, if it is 8 centimeter and if it is 5 centimeter and this one is 6 centimeter, then it is, what type of triangle is this? Yes, please.
Scalar triangle.
Triangle is this? It is scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle.
This is just for revision. Again, we have to discuss about 3 more type of triangle. That is according to the angles. Just now we discussed about the triangles according to the sides. Sides को रूपमा हामीले डिस्कस गर्दाखेरि एउटा equilateral triangle भयो. Next one is isosceles triangle and the third one is
Scalene.
scalene. तीनटा
Triangle.
टाइपको ट्रायंगल डिस्कस गर्यो. त्यस्तै according to the angles, again there are 3 type of triangles. That is, angle means
Right
all
angle triangle.
are less than
Less than
90 degree.
90 degree.
Okay, all angles are less than 90 degree. So this is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle if all angles are less than 90 degree. Second one is the angle with triangle with angle 90 degree. एउटा angle 90 degree हुने गरी बनेको triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degree, angled triangle. यसमा एउटा angle 90 degree को छ. That means this is of 90 degree. So it is angled triangle. Similarly, all of you know about it, just these are for revision. If angle is more than 90 here, this one is obtuse angled triangle. Okay, obtuse triangle. Are these clear to you?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just by looking at these only, यिनीहरूलाई हेरेर मात्रै पनि थाहा भइहाल्छ है. Other thing we have to discuss is some of these all angles of triangle or obtuse angle triangle or scalene, isosceles, for any type of triangle, angle is 180 degree. भित्रका सबै एंगलहरु एड गरेर 180 degree नै हुन्छ. Isosceles triangle, all angles are equal, and for equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. For scalene, and except that for parallel lines, if two or दुईटाको distance एक अर्काबाट equal छ, always, sorry, distances are equal, at that time we have to say they are parallel to each other. And a line passing through the parallel lines, transversal, यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं? This is transversal. Parallel lines. If observe different type of, that means the angles transversal को opposite side मा भएको angles. Look at these two tick signs.
Alternate.
These are alternate angles. Similarly, to the same side, these are coincident angles. I think time is going to off. For today. We'll continue it in next class. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.